Hey there, car enthusiasts. Today, we have something special for you. We're talking about the Lamborghini Miura, a classic that even those who dislike Lamborghinis can't resist. Stay tuned to find out why this car stands out. To truly appreciate the Miura, let's start with its history. This stunning sports car was produced in the 1960s, and it's often considered the world's first true supercar. With its mid-engine layout and V12 power, it set the stage for all future Lamborghinis. One of the reasons I love the Miura is its timeless design. It's like a work of art on wheels. Its low-slung body, scissor doors, and flowing lines make it a masterpiece of automotive design. The Miura wasn't just about looks. It had the performance to match. With a V12 engine producing around 350 horsepower, it was a beast on the road. Its innovations, like the transverse mid-engine layout, set a new standard in the automotive world. The Miura isn't just a car, it's a pop culture icon. It appeared in many films, from The Italian Job to The Italian Job, and even in the music of artists like Prince. Its legacy lives on in every Lamborghini today. The Miura is a sought-after collectible, and its value has been soaring over the years. If you're lucky enough to own one, you've got a piece of automotive history in your garage. So, even if you're not a fan of Lamborghinis, the Miura has a special place in the hearts of car enthusiasts. It's more than just a car, it's an automotive legend. Thanks for joining us on this journey to explore the Lamborghini Miura, a classic worth loving. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content about iconic cars like the Lamborghini Miura. And remember, it's okay to have a favorite, even within a brand you might not prefer. See you in the next video.